Hello everybody, I am Ravika. Today in this video, we'll study the poem The Lake Isle of Innisfree. Isle means an island and Innisfree is an isolated place in County Sligo in Ireland. This poem has been written by William Butler Yeats. So one question may arise in your mind that what had inspired the poet to write about this place, means why he has dedicated a complete poem on this Innisfree. So this is because this place is actually closely connected to his childhood memories. As a child, the poet would often go to Innisfree on vacation. So now let's focus on each line. I will arise and go now. I here refers to the poet. Will arise, arise means stand up, means I will stand up and go now and go to Innisfree. Go now and go. See here he has emphasized on the word go now. This shows his intense desire to immediately go to this place. And a small cabin built there. So now he wants to build a small cabin. Cabin means room. And he wants to build this room by using clay and wattles. Wattles means twisted sticks to make fences. So what he wants to do? He wants to build a small room using clay and twisted sticks. Obviously, see, he wants to stay at that place, so he requires food. So what he will do, he will grow 9 rows of bean. 9 bean rows will I have, means he will grow 9 rows of beans, a hive for the honeybee, and he will get the he'll get the honey from honeybee hive. Hive means a structure where bees live. And live alone in the bee-loud glade. Glade means an open space. So actually he wants to live alone in the open space, comforted by the sound of bees. So this was about the first stanza. Now you see the rhyme scheme is AB, AB. What is rhyme scheme? Rhyme scheme means the repetition of rhyming sounds at the ends of the lines of the poetry. See here, Innisfree. This rhymes with honeybee. The word maid rhymes with glade. So the rhyme scheme is AB, AB. Now we will discuss the poetic device. Poetic device is, first of all, we'll discuss alliteration. Alliteration means repetition of consonant with a similar sound. Now you see here hive and honeybee. The H sound is repeated. Other poetic device is repetition. So see in first line the word go is used twice. So here the poetic device used is repetition. Repetition means simple repeating of a word in a sentence or a complete poetic line. You will see in stanza 3rd, this line is repeated. I will arise and go now. So repetition means a poetic device in which a complete line can be repeated or the words can be repeated. See here, go word is used twice, so the poetic device is repetition.